Let's talk turkey, or rather, cranberry. Cranberries are often overshadowed by the main course, but they deserve their own spotlight. We all know the classic cranberry sauce, a staple on any Thanksgiving table. It's sweet, tangy, and pairs perfectly with turkey. But Wisconsin takes cranberry cuisine to a whole new level. Forget the canned stuff. We're talking fresh, vibrant, and bursting with flavor. The state is one of the largest producers of cranberries, and they know how to use them in creative ways. First up, we have the Cranberry Cheese Log. This isn't just any appetizer, it's a showstopper. This appetizer is a must-have at any Wisconsin gathering. It's not just delicious, but also a conversation starter. Imagine a creamy, tangy cheese ball, studded with dried cranberries and pecans, all rolled in more chopped cranberries. It's a flavor explosion. The combination of textures and flavors makes it irresistible. Then, there's the Cranberry Salsa. This isn't your average salsa, it's a burst of flavors in every bite. Sweet, spicy, and oh so refreshing. It's the perfect companion to grilled chicken or fish. The tartness of the cranberries balances the richness of the meat. And don't even get me started on the cranberry desserts. Cranberry pie, cranberry muffins, cranberry tarts, and even cranberry cookies. Cranberry bread pudding. The possibilities are endless. Each dessert brings out the unique tartness and sweetness of cranberries, making them a delightful end to any meal. Hey there, food fans. Today, we're taking a trip to America's Dairyland. But hold on, we're not here for the cheese. This time, it's all about the crimson king of the bogs, the cranberry. Wisconsin, you see, isn't just about cheeseheads. It's also the top cranberry producer in the nation. That's right, folks. This state is awash in a sea of ruby red berries every fall. So buckle up, because we're about to dive headfirst into the wonderful world of Wisconsin cranberries. Now, some of you might be thinking, cranberries? Aren't those just for Thanksgiving? Well, my friends, you couldn't be more wrong. Wisconsinites have embraced the cranberry in all its tart and tangy glory. From sweet treats to savory snacks, this little berry finds its way onto tables all year round. So, get ready to tantalize your taste buds and expand your cranberry horizons. Cranberries have a rich history in Wisconsin, dating back to the 19th century. Early settlers discovered the wild berries and began cultivating them. Today, cranberry farming has evolved with modern technology, making the harvest more efficient and sustainable. Researchers are constantly studying cranberries for their health benefits, which include high levels of antioxidants and vitamins. Wisconsin even hosts annual cranberry festivals, where locals and visitors alike can enjoy cranberry-themed activities, foods, and crafts. Many farms offer tours, giving you a first-hand look at how these berries are grown and harvested. From juices and sauces to dried snacks and baked goods, cranberries are a versatile ingredient that can be enjoyed in countless ways. Chefs across the state are getting creative with cranberries, incorporating them into gourmet dishes that highlight their unique flavor. Whether you're a local or just visiting, cranberries offer a taste of Wisconsin's agricultural heritage and culinary innovation. So next time you think of Wisconsin, remember it's not just about cheese and dairy. It's also the land of the cranberry, where tradition meets taste in the most delightful way. Thanks for joining us on this cranberry adventure. Until next time, keep exploring the delicious wonders of the world. Time for a little cranberry trivia. Did you know that cranberries aren't actually berries? That's right. They're technically fruits known as false berries or accessory fruits. Who knew? And here's another fun fact. Cranberries bounce. Their hollow insides make them surprisingly buoyant. But wait, there's more. Wisconsin produces over half of the nation's cranberries. That's a whole lot of tartness. And speaking of tart, did you know that cranberries are one of the few fruits that actually taste better after they've been frozen? It's true. Freezing helps to break down the cell walls, resulting in a sweeter, more palatable berry. From marsh to market. The cranberry story. The cranberries' journey in Wisconsin began long ago, with Native American tribes who recognized the berry's versatility and importance. They used it for food, dye, and even medicine. In the mid-1800s, European settlers saw the potential of these crimson gems and began cultivating them. The cranberry industry in Wisconsin boomed thanks to the state's ideal growing conditions, which were just right. Today, cranberry bogs dot the landscape, transforming into vibrant seas of red come harvest time. And speaking of harvest, it's quite a sight to behold. The bogs are flooded, causing the buoyant berries to float to the surface for easy collection. It's like a giant cranberry jacuzzi, a unique and fascinating process.